Welcome. On this channel, we share the freshest insights from the world of neural networks, hardware, and technology. Subscribe right now so you don't miss a thing. And if you need your own AI agent, reach out, and I'll help you build one tailored to your needs. In this explainer, let's journey into a fascinating story of a true technological titan.
The Forge of Digital Giants, the secret of Shanghai AI Lab. When we think of giant Chinese neural networks, names like Qwen and DeepSeek usually come to mind. But hidden away is a powerful, almost magical state forge. They've been quietly crafting the mighty Intern family since 2021, and what they're building is truly enchanting.
A colossal open-source hero. Enter the Bogatyr. Let's meet their newest creation, Intern LM 2.5. You can think of it as a massive digital hero, a legendary Bogatyr named Cyber-Rus. This giant was forged specifically for deep scientific discovery, trained across 20 different realms of knowledge to bring incredible magic to our modern world. The sheer size of this model is absolutely breathtaking. We're talking about an incredible 397 billion parameters. To put that into perspective, this colossal scale represents unimaginable power, and the most beautiful part is that this power was forged entirely for the free world. The absolutely crucial detail here is that this immense technological titan is distributed completely openly. It operates under an Apache 2.0 license. This means it offers scientists and creators everywhere a powerful commercial tool to use, modify, and build with completely for free. It's a true gift to the global community. The wisdom of gene editing, the first trial. So let's see how this giant performs in its first test of wisdom. We wanted to see if the model could explain something as complex as human gene editing to two vastly different audiences. And we needed it to do so without losing any of its scientific magic. Notice the incredible contrast in these two explanations. On one hand, you have an incredibly dense, chainmail-like explanation tailored for a biology student. It's packed with heavy terms like PAM regions and guide sequences. On the other hand, you have a brilliantly simplified, almost poetic version created specifically for a 10-year-old child. To teach the child, the AI used a flawless metaphor. It compared human genes to a recipe book, and it described the editing tools as mechanical scissors. This shows true wisdom, doesn't it? It perfectly adapted deep, complex knowledge without ever losing the wonder and magic of science. Decoding the Earth's secrets, the second trial. For its next epic quest, we asked the model to read the hidden signs of the Earth itself. We presented it with a complex seismogram scroll, which displayed 3 rapid rivers of color that represent earthquake waves. The model stepped up and perfectly identified the distinct channels. First, it carefully analyzed the Z, N, and E lines. Then, it accurately located the P and S waves and brilliantly calculated the exact arrival times of the earthquake. It read the whispers of the Earth absolutely flawlessly. Battling the coding trickster, the system glitch. Of course, every great fairy tale has a twist. The next challenge was to forge an interactive HTML file with animated waves. But right here, a mischievous digital trickster, much like a folkloric Kikimora, decided to intervene and cause some trouble in the system. Our giant got deeply confused and unfortunately failed the coding task. Instead of giving us living, breathing code, it delivered a frozen, static PDF file. To make matters worse, it even offered some really weird and confusing local installation advice. It was a complete illusion. Overcoming this glitch required a firm hand and a bit of resolve. We pushed back and demanded the correct source code. The system finally yielded, giving us 4 separate glowing HTML crystals. When we merged these files together, they formed a perfect interactive panel. This really proved that while it's a spectacularly powerful engine, it can sometimes struggle with putting the pieces together. A triumph in biological science, the arena of giants. Let's now step into the final grand arena. We definitely have to acknowledge that it struggles with autonomous coding when faced with rival princes like GPT 5.5 and Claude Opus 4.8. However, its true, undeniable strength lies in a completely different and perhaps more vital realm. The ultimate boon of this journey is revealed right here. Intern LM 2.5 absolutely dominates all of its closed-source competitors when it comes to complex biology and molecular structure tests. It completely towers over the others in challenging arenas like MP20 and Protein Binder 9. It's a true champion of biology. Why does this matter so much to all of us? Because this powerful technology is going to change our future for the better. By making incredibly complex scientific discoveries truly accessible, this sovereign open-source intellect will help scientists cure diseases and save millions of lives. That's the real magic.
We want to extend a huge thank you to our sponsors for their incredible support in exploring this digital magic. Your help is what allows us to grow and share these stories. So, I'll leave you with this final thought. In this enchanting new digital Cyber-Rus, what magnificent discoveries await us next?